Hidden rain, hit us with some hidden rain. 6 minutes on the clock, Nobu. You know what to do with it, my man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Even before the music hits. Oh, here we go. time's up, time's up.
Help me, baby.
Yeah.
Patch it up.
That's it, make some noise.
Come back, baby. I need some.
Yeah.
Come back, baby.
Freshest kids, hit and rain. 6 minutes on the clock. That's it. So let's find out who moves on to the top 8. You gotta help me. Ik heb jullie nodig bij deze. From the count of 3. 2. Hey crowd, I know these, you know, it's about them, but you gotta get involved at some point, you know. I'm not gonna ask you too many times, but you gotta get connected. Connection. This is live and direct. What these kids do is amazing. They practice hard, and if you're a parent, you know how much they're dedicated to doing this. So if you want to support them, you know, give them some energy as well sometimes, but also get involved. So from the count of 3, 2, 1, there we go. Uh-oh, wait a second. We got 2-2 tied, 1 more round each team. It's a tie break, that means 1 more round. One more, you want to see one more round? That's what we need, that's what we like. Now, 1 round per team, you choose who dances. One person, who's it gonna be? I don't care. Go boo! Go boo! Uh-oh. Make some noise for the 1 more round, let's go! Tie break! Top 16 into the battle. That's my man. Ready to battle. Ready to battle. Ready to battle. Let's go. Woo. Use it. Listen. Feel it. Show us your value. Woo. Do you like it? You make some noise. Right, so that's the extra round for both teams. So right now, from the count of 3, 2, and 1, yeah, Freshest kids takes it, moves on.